hold on. And this skin giver. Yup, guys, I am super excited about today's video because I'm going to show you guys how I revive my 2 weeks worth of twists that I've done and I've had on for like 2 weeks. And I got to this part where I was like, oh, should I lose it? Should I change my hairstyle? And I'm on this natural hair challenge right now, which I almost never started, which I'll be talking to you guys about in a few seconds. And actually didn't talk about it. Okay. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell your friends about my channel. If you have hair issues, this is a channel that you should be watching. And if you have any friends that have any hair issues, male or female, you should share my videos with them, because I make videos about natural hair. I make videos about lifestyle, cooking, vlogging. I'm a Lagos-based YouTuber. I am a civil structural engineer, and I'm just a young person in this life trying to what am I saying? Anyways, guys, so without further ado, let's get into this video before the daylight just decides to fall down on us, because it looks like it wants to rain. So most of the time, this is how I go out with my cap, and like, I mean, this is cool. I normally take out my hair at the back, but for the purpose of this video, I just put on the cap. So this is what my hair looks like. Okay, so this is what my hair typically looks like. And guys, I don't know, but like, it's been hard to keep my twist out looking fresh. For some reason, I don't know, 4C hair just has a way of looking like it's dead after a couple of days. So I went ahead to the store and I purchased some stuffs that's gonna really help us get this video, going. So guys, I got this Gorilla Snot. It sold for $9.50 at the time when I bought it, and I got this Nova Gold System Professional Mousse, and it's a styling mousse. It has natural hold and increased volume hold. I think this went for $1,150 at the mall where I got it. So we're going to be using 3 things to restyle our hair. First thing we're going to use is the Gorilla Snot, and the second thing we're going to use is the mousse. So first off, I have here my mirror, so I'm going to be looking in this direction in case you're wondering where I'm looking. So the first thing is, I'm going to comb out my baby hairs gently. You want to use an old toothbrush that that has a very brittle, like, what's this thing called? Yeah, something like that. Don't use the ones that are very soft if your hair is a 4C hair. Like my hair is 4C in front. So as you can see, I've combed out all my baby hairs. Then next thing you want to do is to open this up a little bit like that, and you just want to put just a little bit on your hand. You need to put like a teardrop size or 5 teardrop sizes. And so you just dab, and then you comb it down using the toothbrush. So you guys could take a look at the hair and see how literally old it's looking. So you just do that, and yeah, something like that. You're also going to need some baby wipes to clean off any excess gel from your face. Make sure that gel catches onto all your baby hairs properly. So I'm going to need a little bit more, like so, and I'm going like that on all of them. Okay, So now that I finally look like a chicken, because my hair is a 4C hair, yeah, I always make sure to allow it sit for a few seconds before I start styling. So when you want to style, you can use a comb and just help yourself with the roots and make sure it's clean. So a very small comb. So what I do with this is to push in the main hairs, like the ones that I don't want to join my baby hairs, right, like that. So when I'm done with this and I'm sure which ones I want to work with, can you see? Yeah, so I'm sure which ones I want to work with. I then start. I need to have a very clean swoop. Can you see that? So you typically have to use your hair to guide your finger to guide it, and sometimes you may need to swoop it into an existing braid and go again. This is like my favorite thing to do, to swoop into existing braids. And for this side, most people like to bring it down like this. But I have a lot of hair, you guys. I'm like one hairy mama, so I just like to just wave everything up nice and clean, like so. And then when we're done with that side, we start on this other side. So I notice most people like to have like some very detailed swoop, but I for one, I'm not big on baby hairs, you guys. This is just me trying to do my best to make sure that my baby hairs are as organized as possible. For some reason, this side of my hair seems to be very stubborn. I don't know why when I work with baby hairs. Maybe because I'm not left-handed or something. You see what's happening here? It's just impossible. So can you see? It's working. And then like always, I take these ones up where they're supposed to be. So at this point, I will take my wipes and just take out any excess gel I don't want to sit on my face. And then at this point, I'm going to grab my satin scarf and tie it down. Give me a second, like so. But I literally look like a pirate right now. Like, hi, I'm a pirate. Watch out for me on your boat. Okay, so this literally took my eye. I don't wait for so long, oh. I don't know about you guys, but I really don't wait for so long. I know some people tend to use like their blow dryers and just dry it out all out. Who's got time for all these stressful situations? I don't. So I typically would just fan it down a little and I'm good. So take it out. Whoa, okay. Anyways, so what you're going to do is very simple. Very, very simple, guys. So you want to shake your mousse properly and just let that stir your hair. I don't think this one came out so well. Okay, good. So I have this, like the way my hair feels right now, it was a lot more shrinked out, or like right now it's not as shrinked out as it was, and it feels moisturized. What else? it feels a lot more fuller, and I think it says something about giving your hair a full hold. So I can say for sure my hair feels like that already. Okay, so that's this as far as this is concerned. Take any opportunity I get to massage my hair, you guys. Like, I've been doing that lately and it's so good. It suits me real well. So yeah, I'm just massaging my hair. Okay, so we're done now. So you can see the hair has a lot more movement right now than it did before. And you can see, like, it looks quite organized. You know, like the front of my hair looks quite organized. So my hair isn't coming off like it is like somewhat old or something. It's 2 weeks worth of twist, and I should take this through a month before thinking of changing the hairstyle. Okay, so pretty much this is it, and so it's like, okay, so guys, the final review. Okay guys, so this is typically how I revive my 2 weeks worth of twists, and this is how I do my edges. For as many of you that keep asking me how do you do your edges, this is how I do my edges. I'm not big on edges, but when I do it, I really like to do it very well. So don't forget your Gorilla Snot and your Nova Gold. This video isn't sponsored. I just really like to share whatever it is that is working for me. Like, that brought us to the end of today's video. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment in the comment section, and tell your friends about my channel. And what else? Don't forget to check out my Instagram. I also post stuff on there. Don't forget to check out our group on Facebook. We are Natural Hair Babes Africa on Facebook, and we have tons and tons of fun on that group. Like, if you're not on that group, what are you doing? Like, where have you been? You know, like, so check us out on Instagram at official King Diva, official_King Diva. And where else are we? I think this is pretty much where we are for right now. And guys, I'm going to see you in my next video, right? Alright, cheers, bye.